So, we just seen a funny video of how a technician used to work in the past. Rich, what are we going to see here today?
Well, today we're at Hendrick BMW in Charlotte, North Carolina. They're a nationally recognized Center of Excellence dealer, and we're going to look at how they've incorporated the diagnostic, production and programming team concept.
If you look at our OSAT rating, the amount of surveys that we have, we average between 400 and 500 surveys a month, so close to 6,000 service surveys a year. We ended the year at 4.8 on the balanced scorecard. So our customers are telling us something.
Every month since we started this structure, our overall satisfaction rating has been green in the scorecard. So we've been at a 4.8 or higher. As much as, I look at CSI and that matters, I think that the overall confidence of our advisors and the information they're getting, the feedback that I get from them in terms of when they get an answer, they know it's right and they know that they need to move forward with it. I think that confidence and that certainty that they operate with now does a great deal to improve the experience we give our customers. But we also knew we could improve our efficiency and productivity. So largely it was trying to get the right people in the right position, improve the quality of work we provide, and increase our throughput.
During the write-up process, when the customer is going over their initial issues or complaints about the vehicle, we have to make the determination whether it's going to go straight to a production technician who's just going to take care of the work. Basically, there's no diagnostic involved. We know exactly what it is. Or whether it's going to go to the diagnostic technician where he has to do some research and most likely hook it up, get any faults out of the vehicle. When you have a group of 5 or 6 diagnostic technicians that just do the diagnostic on the vehicles, you're very confident, and they are very good, and they're right almost 100% of the time.
We've got some really good guys that do diagnosis, real good. And this is like their thing. This is what they don't want to do anything other than this.
The whole concept is set up so that you have a group of specialized guys that are focusing more towards the diagnostic end of it, as opposed to actually taking a car from step 1 to step whatever that may be and working on it the entire way.
The service advisors, their advantages are they have extreme confidence in the estimates that are given from the diagnostic team, and they have confidence that the times and the parts and all the details of the estimate are correct.
Now when I write a ticket, I have a much more confident and relaxed feeling knowing that these few guys that I know will diagnose them properly will get the ticket, diagnose it right, and it just makes it in turn an easier experience for everybody.
The shop hours have drastically gone up since we've done it. I mean, we've got certain guys that have increased hours to 15 hours per week. And we're probably averaging on the production side, we're probably averaging 7 to 8 hours increase per guy since we've established the system.
Also morale. I mean, certainly guys in our shop had gotten to a point to where they were getting frustrated doing something that they didn't enjoy, and also seeing the side effect of that, which is lower production, lower flat rate hours.
You've got a lot of guys in production that are very good at being extremely efficient. So for me, it's kind of like I can rely on the diag guys to kind of do what I used to do, and I only need to get involved when it needs to get escalated higher.
I work on the car, so I get a car. I don't have to worry about doing short tests and stressing out about what's wrong with the vehicle. I get to bring in the car,
work on it and make sure it gets done right. I mainly just do engine work, so for me, I've gotten a lot faster at what I do, which is, you know, good for the customer and good for us. Puts money in our pocket and keeps the customer happy and gets the car out of here a lot faster.
In the past, when a technician needed to have a car programmed, he would set it up himself, and then he would have to manage that while trying to do other work to, you know, be effective at this time, be efficient. How we program now differently from the past is that I can focus all my time and attention on the cars. I'm able to get more done. It's more efficient. The difference I see with waiters in this program is that I'm able to get them in almost immediately, and I'm able to complete them in a much more timely fashion than if I was doing other work as well.
I would not go back to our previous setup or structure.
The waiter might wait 30, 40 minutes. Now they're waiting 10, 15 minutes.
You can't even compare it to the old way. This is like 21st century.
We have a lot more confidence across the board from technician to service advisor.
We work together as a team.
The right guys are looking at the right cars.
I don't have to say I'm sorry near as much as I did before we started this. And it's just a result of doing a better job, being more effective at solving problems on the first go-round.